Good morning, Hornets. It's a terrific Tuesday here at VCHS. We're your host, Avery.
And I'm Addi. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today we'll be having chicken nuggets, mashed potatoes, gravy, green beans, dinner roll, pears, and of course a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now, a rundown of your top 5 news stories. The last remaining K-Mart in the U.S. is getting ready to close.
Kansas's first safe haven box installed in Hutchinson.
McDonald's is adding its snack wrap back onto its menu.
Cargill to lay off 8,000 employees due to not meeting financial goals.
Wichita Mayor cleared of ethics violation filed by the Wichita Fire Department.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
This week's word of the week is rife, especially if something undesirable or harmful of common occurrence widespread.
You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. A.A. Milne.
Now let's listen to some of our Hornets' favorite songs.
Hi, I'm Brandon Kinsinger, and my favorite song is Daddy Cool by Boney M.
My name is Morgan, and my favorite song is Runaway High by Sam Barber.
Hello, my name is Titus Hoggett, and my favorite song is Hey Daddy by Usher.
Okay, my name is Emily Freeby, and my favorite song is Bad Luck by Zach Top.
It's that time of week again, Tune Tuesday.
Don't forget to dress up for Spirit Week.
Tomorrow is Holiday Colors.
Thursday is Grinch Day, and we end the week with Flannel Friday.
It is staying cold for a bit. Let's take a look at today's temperatures. Today's high will be 43 and the low is 22.
A quick blast to the past. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.